another video. I have to say thank y'all so much for tuning in to another episode of Pinky Pink Wednesday. Today for Pinky Pink Wednesday, as you can see, we are gonna open this Sweet Nails OMG cutie girl. I believe her name is Pinky Pops, which is perfect for Pinky Pink Wednesday. So we're gonna take a look at her up close before we debox jail her. Up here it says LOL OMG. Down here it has a little hand with the nails and then the little stickers, and it says Sweet Nails here. And then on the side it has this cutie cute box art of her, so adorable. Let's see, this side is the same, and then on the back, see here it says Pinky Pops Fruit Shop, real nail polish, glitter, place that includes all this stuff. And then there's the picture of her, and then it says Cha Cha Boba there. So I'm not sure. I think they mean for her name to be Pinky Pops, but I'm not positive. You can let me know if you know. And then here is the barcode if you want to pick her up for yourself. I got this beautiful girl on sale at Target's website for $14.99, and I'm super happy about it. So there she is, and y'all should know the drill by now. Got my trusty scissors here. We're gonna bust this poor cutie out of her box jail, and y'all should know that I take and do that off camera to spare you guys all the deboxing gook, because sometimes it takes a long time, sometimes it's not very pleasant, and I don't want to cut myself, so I try and take my time and not do it too fast. So the next time you see this cutie Pinky Pop, she'll be out of her box jail. Yay, yay, yay! All right, yay! Here she is, all out of her box jail. Sweet little Pinky Pops girl here. Now, as for the deboxing experience, it was not fun, y'all. It had so many stays and box, the way they have it all intertwined with all those plastic things. I poked my hand. I don't know if I hurt it, but I definitely poked it. So I'd say that was about, on a scale of annoyingness, about an 8.5, 9, and about a dangerous scale, like a 9.5. But y'all know, if you guys are dolly collectors and stuff out there, you know how the deboxings are, and sometimes you just don't want to do it because of all the plastic pokies. But I did it. I got her out for us, and we are going to enjoy her. I do want to say real quick that the stand is mine. I get them from Temu for my pink dollies that don't have stands. First, let's jump into her little accessories that she has. There's this little adorable pineapple. I love this. The lid comes off. As you saw, if you watched my other deboxing of the Sweet Nails Candylicious, this is glitter. They mean for you to paint your nails and then open this and pour it in here and then stick your nail in it to get the glitter on it. I'm not going to do that, but I like to show you guys everything that comes with the doll and what it's meant for. So here is this cute little pineapple accessory. And then here are the little extra nails. They do have little like fruit slices and pieces on them, like molded in. That's pretty cute. And they're in this like kind of minty, kind of weird shade of green and this kind of like fuchsia pink color. So there are those. And then here are her 3 little adorable sticker sheets. I left them on the little thing they were trapped in, and I just cut off the edge. But these are so cute. I would love to do something with these. I'm not sure what, but I would definitely come up with something. Here are the little press-on nail stickered majobbers, and then the little file so that you can make it fit your nail. And then here is the first of the 2 what look like little like fruity ice cream awesome drink things. I don't know what they would be called. They're technically the nail polishes in this, but I'm not going to use it that way. I'm going to leave it like this so they can be little props for the dolls. But I love all the details. Just look at all the fruit slices and the little whipped cream topping thing and the yellow there with the little, I think that's cherries maybe in it. Who knows? But it's super cute. I love that it has the straw, and I love that it has the little hole there where the doll can actually hold it. Here is the second nail polish, but I'm going to use it again, like I said, as a little prop. This fruity awesome drink. Look at that wedge of watermelon. Is that not the coolest? It's so nice and big, and then it has the little straw and all the little fruit things, and it says OMG, and then the little hole where they can hold it. I love these. These are awesome. They are so cool. And like I said, I want to figure out something to do, some kind of like smoothie shop, something. They're just so cute. I think I got 3 of these now, the Sweet Nails, but I can't remember. I know I have 2 for sure, but I think I might have 3. But anyway, these are adorbs, and I love them. And last for her accessories are this mini Coolmatic Cha Cha Boba. MC Swag was here. Little nail bar thing. That's what I called it last time, because they mean for you to set your nails in these little holes or little divots to like get them done or something. But I just think this is so cute with the watermelon there on the side and all the squigglies. I think it's supposed to look like diner cup or something, the way it's shaped. I'm not sure. This opens. I love that feature that the door opens, and it's pretty sturdy feeling. And then these little slots here are so you can put the extra nails in. So that's cool. Do these come out? Oh, they do. That's awesome. These little like shelves slide out, so that's cool. And then really from the back, there's almost no detail. It's just kind of flat, but who cares about the back, right? So there is this, love, love, love this awesome Coolmatic accessory. It's so vintage looking and I'm so into that. All right, here's our little Pinkie Pops girl up close. And as I usually do, here is her hair straight out of the box. It does have a lot of product in the bangs here and a little right there, like after the little headband, a little off to the side here, but this down here at the bottom and in the back doesn't have much at all. Right here in the middle, there's a little bit down here. So this is what it looks like right out of the box. I'm gonna take her now off camera and like give it a little brushy brush and come back to you. All right, we're back after fixing her hair. It looks much better to me. I think it's super cute. I didn't brush it necessarily. I did like run my fingers through it, and I did use a comb on the top here, but I didn't brush thoroughly through it because it does have some curls and waves, and I didn't want those all to go away. So I got most of the icky product out by like going like this. That is something I do. I just rub back and forth and it gets rid of a lot of that product until you can wash it. But here she is. The hair is nice and soft and it's a two-tone pink. There's a lighter pink here and then a darker pink here. I don't know how well you can tell that under my lights, but it's super cute and I love the blend. I love a doll with long hair, but this is actually really cute and I love how it looks on her. It's really cute retro vintage. I love her little baby curl swirl there on her forehead. So super cute. Since we're so up close, let's take a look at her little cute headband. It's adorbs. It's a black and white polka dot with a little knot there, and it does go all the way around her head, up under there and everything. Super duper cute. And let's look at her earrings. These are so super cute. They're again another fruit slice and then a little flower there with the little dangle. I love that they dangle. They're both the same. The only complaint that I would have is that they don't push into her head any farther, so they kind of stick out and they're not detail painted. I would love if they would have detail painted these, but other than that, I love them. Now let's talk about her cutie cute face. It's adorbs. I love that her freckles look like watermelon seeds. That was one of the reasons I wanted her because it's so unique to me and I love watermelons and I think it's just adorable and I love freckles on a doll. If you don't know that about me and you're new, hi, nice to meet you. But I do. I'm a pinkaholic, a bunnyaholic, and I love me some freckles and red hair on a doll. So those are things that you might not know about me, but now you do. And her face, super cute. Love the eyebrows. They're a like almost black. I think they're black. I don't think they're dark brown. I think they're black. They have a few little lines in them. That looks a little different than some of the other ones. I love the little white liner that goes up in a curl there and then the one little white swoosh. That's adorbs. Love the fluffy eyelashes on this girl and then the severe eyeliner that we're used to from the OMGs. And then there's a little bit of pink right there under the eye. Super cute. And her lips are like candy. I love that pinky pink color. Pinky pink. She's got a little bit of blushing on her nose and her cheeks. Really cute. Loving that. And I don't see any scuffs or any defects in the paint. So very happy about that because I ordered this girl so I didn't get to pick. There's her cute little face. Next, let's talk about this adorable little outfit. I love this patterning, whatever this is on the top here. I love the tropical colors. It goes all the way around this cute little ruffle thing. And then underneath is again the black and white polka dot that's like her little headband. Super cute. This little top. It's a one shoulder, one sleeve kind of deal. Super duper cute. And I love that it is finished. There's no raw edges. It's finished here. It's finished around the armhole. And in the back, it has the nice little soft Velcro that we love. And it is attached, these two pieces, the little ruffle and the top. So it is one piece, but it's two pieces sewn together. And then she has these adorable little fluffy kind of ruched shorts up here at the top. They have the little black and white polka dot for the waistband. And then it's gathered here and it kind of flounces out at the hips. So super cute. And then here on the bottoms of the legs, it is hemmed. There's a few little strings, but that's to be expected. It's adorable. Again, I love this print. And then here in the back, it just closes with the soft, nice Velcro that we're used to. So the outfit gets a 10 from me. There's nothing I don't like about it. I know it's simple and there's not a lot to it, but I love it. Super duper cute. Shoe time. Gonna talk about the shoes. These are simple, yes, but I do actually love them. They're black and white and they have some detailing here, like ruffling above the toe there, and then the little ankle thing. And then there's little like rivets. I don't know if you can see that in my lights, but there's little like rivet dots in the heel and on the toe there. Super duper cute. Nothing really on the bottom but L and R, so you know what foot to put it on. But for me, simplicity sometimes works, and this definitely does. I do love these shoes, and they are super cute with this outfit, so yay! Here are her pretty little painted nails, and mine look pretty good on this hand. No drifting, no blobbing, and this hand's pretty good too. I'd have to say, for the hands, pretty good. Happy with that. All right, let's talk about her articulation. As we've discussed, they don't really have up-down on the OMGs. They have the side, and then the all around, but when you try and push the head down, it just pops right back up. So that is what we're used to. Then at the shoulder here, she has the up, down, in, out, side, all around 360 joint. She also has the elbow joint and the wristy joint that goes up, down, and all around. And again, I can't get over how detailed the little palms are. That's so amazing to me. I love that. Then she has no upper body articulation, but she does have the bend where she can sit there at the hip. Then there is the in, out, back and forth at the hip as well. And, ooh, if I can get it. Ooh, there we go. Bend and snap knees. When they're new like this, they don't want to bend and snap, but there they went, bend and snap knees. Love me a bend and snap knee on a doll. So there is this girl's articulation. So here we have cute little Pinkie Pop's head to toe, side, front to back, all the way around, 360, adorable, luscious, fruity, Pinkie Pinkness. All right, y'all, there she is, beautiful little Pinkie Pop's Fruit Shop, LOL OMG, sweet nails girl, for Pinky Pink Wednesday. For me, as a dolly collector, I have to say, I really do love this set. There are a few very minor things that aren't my favorite, but overall, she gets like a 9.5 for me, especially because I got her on sale for the $14.99. That's an extra thumbs up vibe bonus when they're on sale. I try to do sales and show you guys the sales and get dollies on sale. I try not to pay full price for dolls as much as possible. So this little Pinkie Pink girl, I'm loving her, and I'm super glad I get to add her to my collection. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing Pinkie Pop's Pinkie Girl here for Pinky Pink Wednesday. And if you've been with me to this point in the video, I have to say super huge hugs and dolly love to all you watchers and subscribers out there. Y'all are the best. And I also have to say thank you so very much for being with me and for watching, y'all. As always, I hope everybody watching is well, happy, and safe, having a great dolly day, and that all the good best things that are in this life that can come to you, I honestly truly hope they will. I have to say great big huge lovely subscriber love to all you wonderful lovely subscribers out there. Y'all are the best. I can never say enough just how wonderful, just how sweet and kind y'all are, and how much it means to me that y'all have come along the journey, hit that button and said boop, we like your Pinky Pink Wednesdays, your dolly silliness, and all the dolly goodness that you get into. So I have to say a super huge thank you from me to y'all. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on, y'all. Come and join the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here together, which grows by the day and blows my mind. Y'all are so awesome. I cannot say enough just how much I love our great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family that we have built here. It is the absolute best feeling knowing that we're all out there sharing and spreading the dolly goodness all over the world. So if you want to become part of Pinky Pink Wednesday, hauls, deboxings, shorts, vlogs, DIYs, makeovers, anything you can think of in the dolly world, I'm going to try it right here. And hopefully I've created a fun and safe, happy dolly space where we all can come and share in the dolly goodness. And if you want to become part of all of that, come along and join us, because we would love to have you. And as I always say and mean in every single way, absolutely everyone, no matter what you're into, is always welcome here. Well, y'all, we did it. We made it through another Pinky Pink Wednesday episode. So y'all know what I'm going to say. Happy dolling, happy dolly day, and bye, y'all.